Monisha, an 18-year-old horse trainer with a passion for horses, is tending to her favorite horse named Storm. The stable is peaceful, bathed in the golden hues of sunset. She's known for her deep bond with horses, but today feels different. There's an energy in the air. Suddenly, a stranger, Charlie, a skilled young horse rider, arrives. He's new to the town, drawn by rumors of an ancient crystal hidden and tucked away nearby. He's confident yet curious. Monisha and Charlie strike up a conversation about riding, their shared passion igniting a spark of friendship. While exploring an old, forgotten cave near the stable, they find an iridescent crystal pulsating with light, an ancient relic. As they approach, a vortex of shimmering light erupts from the crystal, swirling around them in a mesmerizing dance. Suddenly, the vortex's tendrils reach out, touching their skin. A surge of energy floods through them, strange, exhilarating, and powerful. Monisha feels a surge of agility and control, while Charlie senses a heightened sense of balance and speed. Their riding skills become supercharged, almost instinctive, as if the crystal's power awakens a hidden potential. Back at the stable, Monisha and Charlie test their new abilities. They race through fields, their horses seeming to move faster than ever before. They execute perfect jumps, quick turns, and flawless coordination, skills they never imagined possible. The bond between rider and horse deepens as they synchronize perfectly. They realize the crystal's power is a gift and a responsibility. The energy is tied to an ancient prophecy about guardians who protect the harmony between humans and horses. Monisha and Charlie accept their newfound roles, understanding that their lives will never be the same. As dawn breaks, they stand atop a hill, overlooking the stable and the field beyond. The crystals simmer to a faint glow, but the bond and skills remain. They smile, knowing their journey has just begun, guardians of a mystical power that unites them and the horses they love.